Welcome back to the Jacked Racing YouTube channel. Welcome back to the shop. We are 1 week away from our next race. We're finally getting back on track. I'm excited. It's been a long time since we've been on the track. I feel like I'm going through racetrack withdrawals. But that's coming to an end this weekend. 1 week from today, it's going to be Citrus County Speedway, the Halloween weekend. We're going to have some candy. We're going to be doing a meet and greet on the front stretch. It's going to be super cool. If you're in the Central Florida area, make sure you come out to Citrus County Speedway. We're going to have a really good time. And we're hopefully going to be a lot faster. We're making a lot of changes since the last time we were there. And I think it's really going to pay off for us. And I'm learning how to drive too. That's going to be a big help. But let me show you what we're working on to get ready. I started off here in a not so great way. I was putting this new fuel log on and it's stripped out. And now it's messed up. So we need to order a new one of those. And we need to order some more fuel line anyways to make sure we do this right. Don't take any chances with the fuel system. So we're going to get that fixed up. We've still got these gears over here that we're going to work on putting back together once Dad gets here in a couple of days. Dad's going to be back for the next race. And we'll get that put back together. But for now, I'm about to climb back under this thing, get that old gear. Well, not the old gear. I'm going to get the new Smyrna gear out. And, okay, here's the bad news. I told you we were going to race at New Smyrna Speedway, the Governor's Cup. I was really looking forward to it, and it's not happening. The track had to pull the plug on it. They took too much damage from the hurricane that came through a few weeks ago. Totally understandable. I'd rather they fix it the right way than try and rush something together and either cause more damage, tear up some race cars, or just not be able to put on a good show. I totally understand. It just sucks. But what do? You know, that's part of racing in Florida. Stuff's going to get torn up every once in a while because the weather here is crazy. So yeah, we're going to be doing strictly quarter-mile racing. We've got that Citrus County Speedway race, and then we've got a handful of races at Auburndale after that, including their big charity race at the end of the season. So we're going to get the quarter-mile gear in, and we're going to get this thing ready to go for some short track racing. I promise I'm only going to say this once, but make sure you click subscribe. That giveaway is coming so soon. We're less than 50 subscribers away from 1,000. We're going to be doing a huge giveaway. Let's see if we can get there before this next race. That would be totally awesome. You're going to get your chance to win your name on the truck, some of our shirts, hats, Croc Charm stickers, maybe some other goodies that I'm not going to quite mention yet, but trust me, there's going to be some good prizes and there's going to be a lot of winners in this one, so make sure you subscribe if you want to win some stuff. Alright, let's try something fun here. What do you guys think I listen to while I work on the car? I'll be curious to see what you guys think I listen to. This is my first time doing this gear change with that new quick lift we got. We've never been able to get the truck up this high. I mean, look at that. It's almost as tall as me right now. I feel like I'm going to have so much room underneath there. I used to hit my head so often down there with just the jack and the jack stand, so I'm excited to see if I can do this by myself without the help of anyone else or a floor jack. I think I can do it. Let's find out. There we go. I got that gear out. That really wasn't that bad. I can do it myself now. That's pretty awesome. I don't need someone else coming in with the jack to help get it out. The extra height is awesome. I didn't hit my head. That's a really good upgrade for us. So unfortunately, we got to put that gear away for a while. It's not going to get run for, I guess, the rest of the calendar year, which sucks, but I understand we'll be back better than ever once we get to New Smyrna anyway. So that's ready to go. Once we get this gear rebuilt, we'll be able to pop that back in there, test it out on the street probably, and hopefully it's going to work better than last time. That's going to do it for today in the race car. I'm going to go do some yard work to help Dad out when he comes back. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, show you what we were doing to get ready, and let you know for sure we're going to be there at Citrus County Speedway next weekend. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch all the action from the track. We'll see you there.